Hi everyone. I was looking for a non-permanent solution to put my GoPro in front of my helmet, and I didn't want to have a permanent solution with something glued on here. So I found this gadget here, and it's just a clamp that goes inside the helmet, basically like this, underneath like this, and it seems to it looks pretty good. I saw it on a YouTube video somewhere, and so I'm about to test this out. I like the removability of it and also being able to put it in other places. The other thing I also acquired is this little thing here, which I'll mount on this camera here, and this is supposed to help with the sound. So I'm trying to avoid this whole thing with an external microphone to access the camera. My hope is that I can go straight here through, that my voice comes through here and talks to the camera loud enough. And with a windsock attached, I hope to get better results. So this is what it looks like with a little foam thingy on top of it. Now I'll attach it and we'll see how it works. There's also this item that I've installed. It's the Atlas throttle lock. It's basically a clamp that goes underneath here. It's this clamp that gets held up by this little screw, and what it does is it shoves a little lever out this way. As you can see here, if I activate it, it pushes back into here, and then it arrests it. It leaves. You can leave it, you can use it like this, or at a quick release it comes right back. It's loosely installed, so it should work pretty well. Okay, of course, kickstand to the side. A little cold, and off we go. So this is city riding, going slow. I should be able to hear myself, and this is just city neighborhood driving. This is with the visor open. Alright, on my way to the freeway. And that's where I'll test also the throttle lock. I kind of left my gloves off for this one because I want to be able to manipulate this properly. Well, I decided to wear my gloves better anyways as I go under the freeway. So I'm speaking with my visor up, and I'm flipping it down, and that would be interesting to see how that changes my sound if it travels all the way through the grill. Alright, here we go, east. The camera is not in my visual, does not even bother me at all. It's just below my nose. I have easy access to look at anything I want to. And here we go, let's see what it does. In terms of wind noise in general, my visor is up again. And I'm closing the visor now. Okay, so what I did is I put the little windsock thingy around here, the foam windsock that covers the whole camera. I took that off, and now I have a pretty good comparison for wind noise. I have my windshield, my visor up. Riding home, windsocks off, and my visor is up, idling, visor down, idling, and I really like the throttle lock. Yeah, that's for my arthritic wrist. This is perfect.